Hi, this is Dean. This is the new Guitartec repair location. It's on the Medway-Franklin border at 2 Franklin Street in Medway, Mass. And that's my front door, and there's parking on the side by that garage door in the back. Anyway, there's going to be a video coming up, so I'll only talk for a minute. But this is the building as you see it when you're driving from Franklin towards Medway. And you can see my door under that tree a little bit. And if you go just a little bit past that sign, there's parking in the back. And there's one handicap space to park, and right in front of the garage door you can park. But you have to have a sign on your car for the handicap space. Let's see. Next, this is a hairdresser that's been there for like 30 years, and I'm told she has the run of the place. She's not too close to me, so I'm not too worried she's going to be upset by the noise that I make. There is a big gymnastics place in this building, too. There's another picture. You can see the Charles River. There's a bridge right after that trailer, and that's the Charles River. And anyway, this is another picture of the building. The gymnastics place is behind me. This is my room. It's about a 420 square foot room. That's an opaque glass door with a lock. There's my air conditioning unit right in front that I have to hook up. Anyway, there's one picture. And it's got this fake wooden floor. It's got lots of outlets. And he says I can do anything I want in there. So it's cool. So anyway, here you go. Here's the video.
Right, this is the main drag. This is my door. Here's the parking back there. Come in this door. And this will be my door, which is right here. It stays open. And this is the room. We have lights. So, outlets, 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 thermostat, heating, air conditioning unit, 2 front windows, our casement windows, and flooring. Alright. There it is. The new Guitartec Repair Center.
Okay, really quick, here's the back way to the parking by the garage door. You go into the back of the building. There's plenty of parking, which I didn't really take any good shots of the parking spaces, just the building. And there's the entrance to the gymnasium, which is huge, by the way. It's a huge place. And then there is picnic tables for lunch and some of the back doors. Anyway, my new business card just came in, and this is what I'm going to be handing to people. I thank you all for your support, and I appreciate it.